Hey, it's Carla here. Just for a quick unboxing, I got me some crochet hooks and I got a couple furls and then I got a ADDI swing. Let's see what they look like. Okay, this is the swing. Maybe I got something else. I think they kind of packaged the same. I don't know. And this is one of the furl ones. I should have opened them out of these Amazon packages first or something because they're kind of hard. But I got it my trusty old snips. Okay, let's look at the ADDI one because I've already got one furls one. That's why I ordered more. I didn't think it was that big of a hoopla for it, but I think I've only used like the boy ones, so this really doesn't well right off. It feels good, but it's got that short shaft. Let's see how it will work for me. I was working on this a little bit ago. Let's see what this does here. If I compare what my scrap yarn is and where my hook was. I mean, I like to use my crochet hooks to do the 10-stitch blankets and stuff, but this wouldn't work for that. It's just too small. So we can, but I like how it just kind of fits in my hand because I'm used to the regular metal hooks that have a place to put your thumb, and I love that part. And I like this inline where it's got that nice tip when you want to stab into places. And let's just look at my pretty furls hooks. I got one cotton candy one. This is my J. Oh, that kind of feels a little bit different than my other limited edition one. I'm not even sure what the other one was called because it doesn't have it on here what specific thing it is. But here was it. And this one definitely feels, whoa, it's metal. Where this one is like plastic. And I kind of like the feel of that better. But that's my J, and I've been working on my ugly yarn blanket. It's a yarn I ordered, and it's all the same, but I didn't like it once I got it. So this one's metal, this one's plastic, and I can definitely think that the plastic one probably wouldn't slip in my hands because this one does slip and I drop it occasionally. But in the swing one, I love just having that to hold right with your thumb there. Sometimes those inline ones kind of will catch and snag. Now here's another metal one. I don't remember what this one was called either. I mean, you know, they have those whatever cotton candy or this, that, or that. I don't know. This is another metal one, though. You can tell it's on that. And that was like the mainstream. And this is my eye hook. And I don't even have a project going with an eye hook. I just know I wasn't going to spend that expense on furls. But I love them now. So I definitely had to order the sizes that I use the most, which is H, I, and J. Very rarely would I use a G or a K. But I just didn't see no sense, because I do that with knitting needles all the time. I buy a complete set and I only use the 6, 7, and 8 and 10. So, you know, I always have all these extra unused ones. But that's all right. That's for today. I will catch you later today when I start knitting or crocheting or whatever. See you soon.